pangarap sa buhay kasi ikaw ay good example sa kanila.
Yes, of course, this coming school year ulit, huwag natin kalimutan, of course, to make our parents proud through our studies. And syempre, lahat naman ng ginagawa natin sa school, ang payback niyan pagka-graduate natin. So if we want good jobs, or we want to give jobs to other people, we have to finish our studies because I can't say much kasi hindi pa naman ako nakaka-graduate ng college, pero I really have plans going back. But regardless of how busy your schedule is or busy you are, you really have to finish school. Siyempre kasama natin dyan ang Sterling. Okay ba?
Yes!
Thank you. Okay po.
Thank you so much.
Salamat, Teacher Alden.
Teacher. Okay, so let's now proceed to the photo op of National Bookstore. And then...
National Bookstore version of Alden are available. So don't forget, month of May, bilihan ng school supplies. Don't forget your notebooks. Sterling, definitely high quality, definitely Sterling.
Alright, so they are the Robinson's Gallery. Yeah? Yes, the Robinson's Gallery of the Academy. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Sterling County. Sterling.
Ma'am, here. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Surrender your phones to our staff. Place your and then get ready. Get ready first.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Again, may we request everyone to please sit down. 1 to 5, numbers 1 to 5.
Alden!
Alright. Official photographer. Tingnan po tayo sa official photographer natin.
1, 2, 3.
Smile. Alright.